What is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show y'all the process of powder coating. I did powder coat a couple test pieces yesterday, and I have a couple more valve cover pieces that I have to powder coat. So I'm gonna show y'all the process. My camera battery's finna die, so I'll get back to y'all on my phone. Alright, so these are the two pieces that I have left: the front timing cover and then the top coil pack cover. Basically what I do, sandblast. I got my sandblaster somewhere over there. Sandblast them, pull all the old paint, powder coat off, whatever. And then I did go back, got a 1000 grit, and sanded all the pieces down with the 1000 grit to get it a lot smoother. The sandblaster does leave it a little, I guess you could say, a little rougher, so I just smoothed it down with the 1000 grit, get it smoother. This one, since it is taped off, this is like the lettering, the Nissan twin turbo, I believe is what it says. Since it does have this, and it's a 2-stage powder coat, I am gonna have to do the first stage, pull the tape off, bake it, and then wait for it to cool down, then retape it and put a purple, and then pull the tape off and rebake it again. So it will take me a little bit longer, but I will get back to y'all here shortly. What is going on? So I did get the first layer, or the first process, which is a chrome on the couple parts right now. I got them in the oven right now, preheating. Should be getting up to temperature here in a little bit. So what I do is I lay the powder coat. It's a very simple process. I lay the powder coat on the parts. I preheat the oven, and then once I get it all powder coated, I'll put it in the oven. Now, I am using like an old stove oven, but it's worked really good for me. Once you get the parts in there, you basically see. So I got mine from the powder coat store. Here it's 10 minutes at 400 degrees. So I gotta constantly check the temperature of the parts. Once the temperature on the part reaches 400, then I'll let them bake for 10 minutes. That's it. Once you let them bake for 10 minutes, you cut it off, let them cool down. If that one didn't have to be taped off, I'll let them cool down maybe about 100 degrees. And then I would go ahead and spray the second coat, which is the color, which would be the purple in my case. Once I got that purple on, then I believe that one's the same thing. It's 400 for 10 minutes. 400 degrees part temperature for 10 minutes. So right now I'm gonna actually check. See, so I'm sitting at 350 and about 400. 400. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start counting the 10 minutes. So I would say should be pretty good. Go up one more because that one part's a little thicker, so it's gonna take a little longer. The other two parts are at about 400. So I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna do the 10 minutes, and I'll show y'all once it's done. Alright, so I'm saying that right at 400 degrees. So now I'm gonna do my 10 minutes from now. Alright guys, so I did get the chrome, so the first layer on these parts. Let me show y'all what I got going on so y'all can see. Alright guys, so I got them back out. They're about 100 degrees or so. I did get this one taped off, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit more because this piece, you can see, is like ashy looking. So I am gonna spray that one just a little bit on that corner. Then I got these two pieces that I'm gonna spray now. You can see where I was talking about, where it reacted right there a little bit, but that's where the cam cover goes, so I'm not too worried about it. I think it'll look alright with the purple. So I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit.